morning students. In this video we are continuing our chapter. In previous video we learned about the solar system and the planets. We completed our first planet of Earth. Now we come to know about the Mercury. It is the nearest planet to the sun and the smallest planet of our solar system. So it is the slightly larger than the Earth. Moon, it has no moon. See, Mercury is the first planet and it's very smallest planets of our solar system. It is just slightly larger than the Earth. Moon, it has no moon. Venus, it is the second planet of our solar system. It is almost similar in a size and shape with the Earth, therefore it is also called the Earth twin. It spins slowly in opposite direction from most planets. It is very hot because its thick atmosphere trap heat in a runaway greenhouse effect. It also has no moon. See, Venus is the second nearest planet of the solar system. It is just similar like Earth, therefore it is also called the Earth twin. And the which most one quality of the Venus is it's also called a hot planet because their atmosphere is trap the uh, heat in it. It also has no moon. Mars, it is the fourth planet of our solar system. It is a dust cold and with a very thin atmosphere. It is also known as the red planet. See, Mars is also called a red planet, and Mars is the fourth planet of Mars take fourth place in our solar system. This is just made up of dust and cold. Um, uh, Cold and is layer of atmosphere is very thin, therefore it just look like a red in color. It periods of rotation is almost the same at the Earth. It has two moon. On Mars we find the two moon. Now come to the Jupiter. It is the fifth and the largest planet of our solar system. It has a red spots which is spinning storm in its atmosphere. Jupiter gets red spots is more than the twice than size of the Earth. It has 29 known moons. Jupiter, Saturn. It is the second largest and the most beautiful planet of our solar system. It is unique because its bright ring and made of ice particles can be seen from Earth with the help of small telescope. It has around 82 moons. See, in Saturn is also called the most beautiful planets because in these planets around there are some kind of bangles ring which give them a very beautiful look. And on Saturn we find there 82 moons as compared to the Jupiter where we find the 79 moons. If we see from our Earth with the help of telescope, we can see the ring around the Saturn. Now Uranus. It is the seventh planet of our solar system. Uranus is the seventh planet of our solar system. It is blue green in a color. The color of Uranus is blue green. It has the coldest atmosphere of any other planet in the solar system because it has little to no internal heat. It has about 27 moons. See, Uranus is the seventh planet of our solar system and its color is just blue green because the atmosphere of this planet is very cold because of these the this because of this the planets is literally no have any kind of heats, and there are 27 moons. Neptune, it is the eighth and the most distant planet of our solar system. It is a dark, cold, and harsh with supersonic wings. It is similar to Uranus in C. Neptune, it come on eighth place in our solar system. This is the most discernible planet of our solar system. Its color is dark blue cold. It is just similar to the Uranus size and in a size and a structure. Its surface gravity is almost Earth-like. It has around 13 moons. The gravity of the Saturn is just like Earth. On the Earth, on the Saturn, we find the 13 moons. Now come to know about the satellites. Moon has to we see in the sky in a natural satellite. See, moon is also called a natural satellite. Some celestial body revolve around the planets. They are called the satellites. Some kind of celestial body which revolve around the planets is called the satellites. They do not have their own heat and light just like the planet, but they reflect the light coming from the sun. Moon is the satellite of the earth, and moon move around it. The word satellite means an attendant or a companion. They can be categorized into two types. See, in a very short description, moon is also called a natural satellites. In our solar system, we can see lots of celestial body revolving around the planets. They all are called the satellites because they don't have their own light and heat. They reflect their light because of the sun. They get their light and heat from the sun, and therefore only they are able to reflect it. Moon also doesn't have their own light. Moon get their light from the sun. And the satellites are most categorized into two types: natural satellite and human made satellites. What is the natural satellite? Natural satellites created celestial body in the space that orbit around the planets. Moon is an example of the natural satellites. Human made satellites, it is the artificial body which is the designed by the scientists to collect information about the universe or for communicate. It is the carried by a rocket to be placed in the orbit around the earth and any other planet. INSAT, IRS, and EDUSAT are some example of artificial Indian satellites in a space. Some interesting features of the satellites are as follows. Path followed by the satellite is referred to as its orbit. Satellites move around the planets from west to east. The satellites do not have their own heat and light. They reflect the heat and light from the sun. Different planets have different number of satellites. The moon is the only natural satellites on the earth. Now come to know about a moon. As we know about moon is a natural satellite, and moon doesn't have its exact shape. It change our phases day by day. It is also known as full moon night, or when we look the moon at night in a full form, it's called a full moon day or a purnima. Moon is not visible at all the new moon night and amavasya.